Hello friends, welcome to this video. My name is Sasi Kumar Singh. Now I am going to show you that I have received a package of products from Forever Living company, and I am going to show you that what all contents are inside, and you can see this nice package. First of all, see this nice package, how it has been nicely packaged so that it is not tampered on the way, and here everything is written, my consignee details Sasi Kumar Singh and my address, and I'm going to open this box and show you that what all contents are there inside. So I will just cut it from top. Now I cut it, I open it, okay, and I will show you that how nicely it is packaged inside. Now here another package is there. Alright. And this is the list of items here. Now I am going to put it. So there are two packages. Let us see what are the inside. So just cut it from here. This is Forever Aloe Vera Gel. Forever Aloe Vera Gel. Now let us see what is inside this. This is aloe berry nectar. This is also made with aloe vera gel and cranberry. Very useful for urinary tract infections. Then we have aloe jojoba shampoo. Aloe jojoba shampoo. This is Forever Garlic Thyme. This is Aloe Propolis Cream for face. And this is Refreshing Gel Cleanser. This is Refreshing Gel Cleanser. I will show you inside. Looks like this. refreshing gel cleanser. Next one is Forever Arctic Sea, and this is Yellow Avocado Face and Body Soap. So these are the products I have received today, and here is the list that I have received from the company. Here it consigning details are there, and here are the list of products. There are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 products are there. So thank you very much being with me in this video. I hope you enjoyed these products, looking at these products. These are the products. I have ordered for my customers. Bye bye.